Today's topic is prepositions. Prepositions are usually little words, not always, but usually little words that show us relationships to other words. It's like how the words go together. Um, Many prepositions that you might learn early on in learning English are prepositions that show us the place or show us where things are. For example, if I'm taking a look at an apple, here the apple is between the boxes. That means it's in the middle of them. Here the apple is where? It's in front of the book. The book is behind it. Now if I switch, here the apple is behind the book. Where is the chair? Well, the chair's to the left of the table. Or here the green chair is to the right of the table. In this picture, the apple is next to. I could also say it is beside the book. Here the apple is on the book. Here it is under the table, or I could also say the apple is below the table. All of these words, between, in front of, behind, to the left, to the right, next to, on, under, below, those are words that show me where something is in relation to something else. Let's practice a little bit. If I'm taking a look at this top picture here, this picture of a home or office area, I would be able to describe where certain things are. Let's give it a try. Tell me about where the chair is. Here it is. Well, I want to say where it is in relation to the table. So maybe I could say the chair is next to the table because it's right beside the table. One is close to the other one. How about this vase of flowers? Is it inside the table or does it sit on top of the table? In Spanish, you say en for in and on. In English, it's different. If it's on top of something, we say on. If it's inside of something, we say in. So I'm going to say the vase is on the table. It's not inside of the table, it's on the table. Take a look at the classroom picture next. I'm going to take a look here. Oh, this might be hard to see, but there is an orange glue stick there. The glue stick is in the pencil case or the pencil box. That tells me where something is. I could also say about the boy is next to the girl. The folder is on the desk. The kids are behind the set of desks. Their feet are under the desk. Again, I'm using that to show where something is located in relation to something else. Now, sometimes you can use a preposition just to tell more about something. So here's a boring sentence. I cooked breakfast. Now, if I want to tell a little bit more, I can tell about when something happens in the morning. I can say who it's for my family. Instead of just saying we play tag outside my house. We play tag with my sisters. Those parts tell us a little bit more. So sometimes prepositions can do that too. But again, the prepositions that we were focusing on for this time have to do with where things are located.